Hey friends, if you wish to configure system restore spaces and set system restore intervals in Windows, then please watch this video. I will guide you through the procedure. Search for recovery in the Windows search bar and open the recovery window. Now click on configure system restore directly. Now we have this option here to click on system restore, but it will only operate if you have configured something earlier. So click on configure. Make sure that turn on system protection is on, and for every drive you can change the percentage of space you wish to use. I think 4% is more than enough because otherwise you will be over occupying your computer. Then click on apply and then on OK. But you can choose according to your own requirements, and we are doing it for the C drive. You can do it for the D drive and the E drive and so on. Okay, then click on create and name the restore point. I usually name the restore points by my name and put 1 2 3 in front of them. I don't need to worry about the date because the date will anyway be shown when I try to restore my computer. So I'm trying to create a restore point here with the name Karan1 and it has been created. So I click on OK. Now I'll click on open system restore, click on next, and then okay, choose a different restore point, click on next, and you'll see this restore point here. I can use it for future. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel, and if not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.